So where are we going to have lunch?
Ganyan talaga. Okay, yun.
Asa ta mga on o sige, magbisaya man ta. Asa man ta mga onday?
Saya yung or sayoni. Yung
Tanaw na to sa may maginaingon nga.
restaurant
Ni
ka,
lamit pagka dito.
masarap yung pwede mo mag-share tayo isang large na yung food. Tapos around 200 plus.
200 plus lang
Tapos,
siya.
meron na siya isang rice. So, mag-add na lang tayo. Add-on ng isa pang rice.
Sige, let's say first kasi hindi pa ako nakakain
Sige.
doon. But yeah,
Nasa-
is masarap
nasa
talaga.
second floor.
Okay, let's go. So we're going to the second floor.
Woke up this morning, socks don't match.
So
One is
guys,
yellow, one has a patch. Grabbed a donut, took a bite. Everything's feeling sparkly and bright. Got
Ituro
a
mo.
pocket full of sunshine and some bubble gum too. Dancing on the pavement, nothing I can't do. Skipping like a record that you love to play. Oh, it's just a silly, happy, wonderful day. Happy, wonderful day.
nakatry ka na dito. So sige.
Drew a smiley face right there on the misty glass. Watching all the busy people hurrying past. Got a pocket full of sunshine and some bubble gum too. Dancing on the pavement, nothing I can't do. Skipping like a record that you love to play. Oh, it's just a silly, happy, wonderful day. A wonderful day. A wonderful day.
Ha?
Thank you. I-ano mo sa Sorry.
Yes. Isa lang? Walang tinidor.
Wala. Ganito lang yung ay, nandito din ako.
Ayan guys, ayan. Munggo na matamis. Kala ko sa baho lang. Yung pala may suka yung munggo nila. Ito yung ano, red rice. Rice berry na may nuts. Ayan guys, oh yung maliit na sili. Yan yung maanghang. Sobrang anghang. Saan tayo? Dito tayo sa Ampay. Ampay ang mga dalaga. Ayan guys. Sinong nabiktima? Sinong nabiktima?